Heart Coherence and Biofield Sensing exercise. Welcome back. Ensure you are comfortable, either seated or lying. Take a slow, deep breath. As you do, rest your eyes naturally to close. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Breathe slowly. Inhale for 4 counts. Exhale for 6 counts. Feel your awareness settle into your heart center. Let the breath become smooth and easy. Now expand your attention to the space around your body, about 1 arm's length in every direction. This is your biofield. Softly scan from the top of your head down through your body. Notice any sensations: warmth, coolness, heaviness, lightness, tingling, or stillness. No need to change anything. Simply observe. Ask gently, what does my biofield need right now? Listen for the first subtle answer. A gentle response, perhaps. Take one more slow, deep breath. Repeat after me. I am the sovereign guardian of my field. I listen with clarity and ease. I am safe, anchored and whole. Carry this coherent, anchored feeling with you into your day. This is your daily anchor. Simple, powerful, yours. Stay with me now. More to come.